What's one thing that you can take back and apply at your foundry?
The main thing that I can take back is in college we did not get all these, the CPK and all these calculation. But now that we have that tool, we can apply it and make it better and make our process better.
Good. What about the whole DMAIC process? How was that?
That was very good because it brings back to our own process, meaning the zero defect and the golden nuggets. That every time there's a little something differ from the process, it could be a learning process for everybody.
All right, so what did you enjoy the most about this class?
The easily that I can't connect all the topics of here to the what happened in my foundry was really easy because the examples are exactly the issues that we have.
Can you give me an example of how you're going to go back and apply what you've learned in this class back at your foundry?
So we can get into specific problems using the process approach, the DMAIC approach, and that will help us hopefully use everything that we learned to get to conclusions faster rather than preemptively already knowing what the problem solution is and fixing it temporarily and then it comes back.
Give me an example of one thing that you're going to use, one of the tools you're going to use when you go back to your foundry.
We are going to use all the tools here for, how can you say, to part to part and how can we fix the problem and find the key variables that we are affected to us and act depending of the information that we have.
What did you like the best about the class?
So the best thing I liked about the class was working with other people. Being an introvert, it's fun to do, and we have to do it in our jobs anyway, but being with other people who are in the industry but not at your company every day is really great, a great tool, a great method of learning things.
One final word of advice to somebody, a student who's thinking about coming, what would you tell them?
Go with an open mind, be ready to learn, and be ready to work with others and take others' feedback so you can bring it back to your own work and apply it. Because you're going to discover a lot more as you're going to go along.
What would you say to somebody at your company or someone you're talking to that was thinking about coming to the class but they weren't sure if they wanted to come or not?
I would definitely highly recommend coming to the class. It is well worth it. The instructors are great. The material is extremely valuable. I don't know how valuable it is at the moment, but as soon as that first problem's solved, I'll be able to get back with you and let you know.